Welcome back, clean enthusiasts. We've all seen countless cleaning hacks pop up online, promising miraculous results. But how many of them actually stand up to the test? Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you 5 incredible cleaning hacks that are not only easy to implement but are also genuinely effective, backed by a bit of science and solid practical application. Our focus isn't just on what to do, but why these methods deliver real, tangible results. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine with practices that truly work. First up, let's tackle a kitchen workhorse, the cutting board. Over time, wooden and plastic cutting boards can accumulate stubborn stains, odors, and even invisible bacteria. Simply scrubbing with soap and water isn't always enough to deep clean and sanitize them effectively. This hack uses common kitchen ingredients to restore your board's freshness and hygiene. It's a simple, yet powerful, combination that leverages the natural properties of household staples to break down grime and eliminate smells. Here's how to give your cutting board a proper refresh. First, sprinkle a generous amount of coarse salt over the entire surface. This isn't just for show, the salt acts as a gentle abrasive. Next, cut a lemon in half and use the cut side to scrub the salt into the board. Squeeze as you scrub to release the lemon juice. Alternatively, you can use white vinegar for similar acidic properties. Let the mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the acids to work their magic. Finally, rinse the board thoroughly with hot water and dry. So, why does this simple combination work so well? It's all about chemistry and physics. The coarse salt provides mechanical abrasion, physically lifting embedded food particles and stains from the board's surface. The lemon juice, which contains citric acid, or white vinegar, containing acetic acid, acts as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. These acids break down organic matter, helping to dissolve grease and kill bacteria. Together, the abrasive action of salt and the acidic power of lemon or vinegar create a highly effective, natural cleaning agent that tackles tough grime and microscopic threats. Next, let's talk about those slow, smelly drains. Hair, grease, and soap scum can quickly build up, leading to blockages and unpleasant odors. Before reaching for harsh chemical drain cleaners, which can be damaging to pipes and the environment, try this incredibly effective and much safer alternative. This hack utilizes a classic household combination that creates a powerful fizzing action to dislodge minor clogs and refresh your pipes without corrosive substances. To clear and deodorize your drains, start by pouring half a cup of baking soda down the drain. Make sure to get as much as possible directly into the pipe opening. Immediately follow with half a cup of white vinegar. You'll notice an immediate fizzing reaction. This is exactly what we want. Plug the drain if possible to contain the reaction within the pipes. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or even better, an hour. Finally, flush the drain with a kettle of boiling water. The heat helps dissolve any remaining residue. The magic behind this hack is a simple acid-base chemical reaction. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a base. White vinegar is acetic acid. When these two substances meet, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas. This gas creates a vigorous bubbling and fizzing action within the drain. This effervescence isn't just for show, it acts as a gentle, mechanical scrubber, helping to dislodge minor clogs of hair, grease, and soap scum from the pipe walls. While it won't clear a completely solid blockage, it's incredibly effective for routine maintenance and odors. Moving on to sparkling surfaces. Have you ever cleaned your windows or mirrors, only to find annoying streaks or lint left behind? It's a common frustration, and the culprit often isn't your cleaning solution, but your cleaning cloth. This next hack focuses on the power of a specific material, the microfiber cloth. When used correctly, microfiber can revolutionize the way you clean glass, leaving behind a truly streak-free shine that traditional cloths simply can't match. Microfiber cloths are incredibly effective due to their unique composition. Unlike traditional cotton, microfiber is made from synthetic fibers, usually polyester and polyamide, that are extremely fine, often thinner than a strand of human hair. These tiny fibers are split during manufacturing, creating a vast network of microscopic wedges in open spaces. When you wipe a surface, these thousands of tiny fibers act like miniature scrubbers, trapping and lifting dirt, dust, and moisture particles rather than just pushing them around. This capillary action absorbs liquids efficiently, leaving surfaces dry and polished. For best results, use 2 microfiber cloths. Lightly spray your glass surface with water or a mild glass cleaner. Use 1 damp microfiber cloth to clean the surface, wiping away dirt and grime. Immediately follow with a second, dry microfiber cloth to buff the surface until it's completely dry and streak-free. The dry cloth absorbs any remaining moisture, preventing water spots and streaks. Remember to wash your microfiber cloths regularly, avoiding fabric softener, as it can clog the fibers and reduce their effectiveness. They are an investment that pays off. Now for a hack that seems almost too simple to be true, but delivers surprising results, using dryer sheets for dusting, especially on baseboards and other dust-prone surfaces. Dust is often attracted to surfaces due to static electricity, making it cling stubbornly. This hack leverages a common laundry item to not only pick up dust but also to actively repel future dust, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. It's a game changer for maintaining those hard-to-reach or frequently dusty areas. The application couldn't be easier. Grab a fresh dryer sheet and simply wipe down your baseboards, blinds, or other surfaces that tend to collect dust quickly. You'll notice the sheet effectively picks up existing dust, but the real benefit comes afterwards. The anti-static properties of the dryer sheet transfer to the surface you're cleaning, creating a barrier that actually repels dust. This means dust particles are less likely to settle and stick, keeping your surfaces cleaner for an extended period. It's perfect for maintaining a dust-free home between deeper cleans. Dryer sheets contain positively charged chemicals that are designed to neutralize static electricity. In a dryer, these chemicals prevent clothes from clinging together by neutralizing negative charges. When you wipe a surface with a dryer sheet, these same anti-static agents transfer to the surface. Dust particles often carry a negative static charge, and by creating a positively charged surface, the dryer sheet actively repels these dust particles. This reduces the static attraction, preventing dust from settling and clinging as readily, making your cleaning efforts last much longer. Our final hack features a modern marvel of cleaning technology, the melamine foam eraser, commonly known as the magic eraser. This unassuming white sponge has gained legendary status for its ability to remove seemingly impossible scuffs, stains, and grime from a multitude of surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. It's not magic, it's science. Let's uncover why this little sponge packs such a powerful punch against tough marks. Melamine foam is an open-cell foam made from formaldehyde melamine sodium bisulfite copolymer. When this foam is manufactured, it's heated and compressed, creating a very hard, microabrasive material. At a microscopic level, it's like extremely fine sandpaper. When you wet the sponge and rub it on a surface, the melamine foam hardens, creating millions of tiny, abrasive fibers that scrape away grime, dirt, and scuff marks. The open cell structure then traps these lifted particles, removing them completely from the surface. It's a physical cleaning action, not a chemical one. To use a magic eraser effectively, simply wet it with water and squeeze out any excess. Gently rub the eraser on the stained or scuffed area. For best results, use light pressure, letting the microabrasive structure do the work. It's essential to test the eraser on an inconspicuous area first, as its abrasive nature can sometimes remove paint or dull shiny finishes, especially on delicate surfaces. It works wonders on walls, tile grout, shoe soles, and even permanent marker. It's an indispensable tool for targeted spot cleaning. There you have it, 5 incredibly effective cleaning hacks that go beyond mere suggestion. They're grounded in how materials interact and the power of simple physics and chemistry. From the abrasive and acidic power for your cutting boards to the fizzing reaction that clears drains, the microscopic magic of microfiber, the static repelling properties of dryer sheets, and the microabrasive force of melamine foam, these methods are proven performers. Incorporating these into your routine can make cleaning less of a chore and more of a satisfying, effective process. Remember, smart cleaning isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. We hope this deep dive into effective cleaning hacks empowers you to tackle common household messes with confidence and a little scientific understanding. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips, educational explainers, and effective home solutions. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, happy cleaning, and keep your spaces sparkling.